Hello guys, in this video I'll talk about the command prompt basics, useful basics actually, and I hope you're gonna like it. And please just like and subscribe for more content. So the beauty of the command prompt is that you can run it in any window you want. For example, if you want to go to a specific folder and you want to delete some files over there, you can just go to the file itself and then press shift and left mouse button, and there it is, and you can run the command prompt from that specific folder. Now this can help you to delete specific files on that folder, but the disadvantage of this is that you can't run some commands because they need the administrator permission. But anyway, I usually run it using administrator all the time. There it is now. Now before we start any command lines, you just need to go to the properties and change the preference according to your need. You should select the copy and paste selection, and also you can change the font and also the color of the text you're typing. So it's really useful. You can manipulate it in any way you want. Start with the help command, and this will show you a bunch of command lines that you can execute and try if you want. Now there is another way of using the help command, which you can attach it to any command line you want to know more information about. Like for example, help the CD, for example. It will show you what is this CD command line. It will show you all the information related to that, and also you can and there is also another command line that you can use as help, which is the slash and the question mark. It will show you the same information. Now to clear the page, you just press CLS and it will clear the page for you. And if you want to stop, for example, the process of a command you just executed, you press the Control and C, and we're gonna see how to do that by just pressing the ping to Google, for example. And it will send like 25 packets, but if you want to stop, you can just press the Control and C, and it will stop the process of this command. Now in case you want to view your previous command lines, you can just press the up Control and arrow, and it will show you all the command lines you have entered so far. Now if you want to go to the for example, your disk drive, for example I have D, you just press the letter of the disk drive itself and follow it by colon, and there you go, you will just move to that disk drive. Now if you want to view the folders inside that disk drive, inside that disk drive, just press the directory command line and enter, and it will show you all the files inside that disk. Now if you wanna, for example, go to the downloads, you just press CD and then the name of the folder you wanna go. It will take you there. You wanna view again the folders inside the download, you will have them all there. Now if you want to make a directory, you want to make a folder, for example, you just press MD and then the name of the folder you want to make. For example, I want to make a 1 2 3 4 folder. There it is. Now to view it again, press the directory, and there you have it. Now for example, you want to delete that directory, you need to just press the remove directory 12332. It's removed. You can view it again. There it is, it's gone. If you want to delete a specific app, you just press the DL and the name of the file to be deleted. That's it for this video, and in the next video I will show you how to view more information about your system, how to scan the system if in case you have any corrupted files, how to also check your disk drive if they have some corrupted files, and also how to check your network and how to view your password. All these will be discussed in the next video. Like and subscribe for more valuable content.